my channel, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys had a great new year. So I finally got around to recording the Jamaican Bounce crochet video install tutorial, whatever you want to call it. Just a heads up, this will probably be a little lengthy. I haven't yet edited, but I'm going to go into detail as much as possible, so it will be just a voiceover, and I'll just show you how I'm doing it and just talk to you about certain tips and tricks and all that kind of stuff. So this was highly requested, and I told you guys I would have it out for you, so I don't know why I'm doing thumbs up. But anyway, so here it is. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it was everything you thought it would be, and I hope you see just how easy it really is. My last install, well, actually my first install of this, so my last crochet video, when I was taking my hair out, I forgot that I had real hair that was out as well, and so when I went to cut it to take it out, I chopped off this side of my hair, which is why you will see that this side is much shorter than this side. I think that's everything. I'm gonna just go ahead and just whatever I need to add, I'll put it in the voiceover. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And yes, we made it to 10,000 subscribers and I'm so excited. My next stop is 50K. I'm reaching right now maybe, but 50K by the summer. Let's see if we can do it. Please like and share this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much. Bye.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and braid the rest of my hair up and put about 8 to 10 cornrows in it and bring it all together to one cornrow. I do this method to prevent from cutting off any of my cornrows whenever I'm taking my hair down, because I've done that before. Also, I went on ahead and put this crochet in about 2 weeks later after I did these braids, which is what you're going to see right here. So they are a little bit raggedy, but I'm just oiling my scalp just to get it prepped. And here is my baby just wanting to be in front of the camera to say hey. So here's one pack of hair all completed, not separated. And I'm going to go ahead and separate it now just to see where I'm at and see how full it is. And also you're going to see me taking some of the pieces, actually not some, most of the pieces apart at this point, the closer I get to the top of my head, to lay them out so that I'm not doing one piece at a time. This just makes it a lot faster, and twisting it up, it just makes the process go a little bit faster instead of splitting the hair one by one. Alright guys, and if you notice, I'm just pulling the hair through and tying it like one time. I'm not doing anything special because these are definitely not going to stay in my head as long as I did last time. Also, here I am showing you guys how I put two braids together to take out that little gap in between. I don't like to do this with every single like cornrow, but I like to do it where there's going to be like a part. So where I'm parting my hair, I like to put two together right there, if that makes sense. I guess you'll kind of see what I'm talking about, because that closes that little gap if you look. And I like that. I prefer having like a little knot right there versus a gap. And so then I'm going to take two little small pieces from that crochet that I just did and tie it again, just to make sure it's a little bit tighter. So here you see me here you see me crocheting, and I try to place the knot below the braid and then pull. That's kind of what I'm trying to do. Sometimes it turns out that way, sometimes it doesn't. You will have some of your crochets that are a little bit bigger that you may need to double knot, so keep that in mind. And then I did go back and double knot some of these as well. So here I am again with that two braid, and just adding one in between to take care of that gap, and then pulling some extra hair with that same crochet I just did and tying it again. So I hope that makes sense, because I guess I did a horrible job at explaining the first time, which is cool. I hope you guys can see and also hear, I guess, a better explanation of what I mean. So here I am just adding more crochet, and I didn't really go too crazy at the top of my head because I'm going to start working out and my hair will definitely be pulled up versus down until I take this out. But feel free to add in more hair at the top. You're definitely going to need it, but just be cautious. Do not go over 3 packs of hair. I only used 2.5 packs this time, and the first time I did 3 packs. So I would just stay in between that. So here I am just taking my edges that were left out and just flat twisting them. They did not come out dry because it's New Year's and I needed to look decent. So I had to take them out a lot early, but you'll see what I mean in just a little bit. So this is after everything. I actually look decent, put some makeup on, and I am just going in and fluffing out the hair, separating some, and also cutting the flyaways. Not the hair. I'm not giving the hair really any shape. I'm just cutting those loose, ugly flyaways, those tangles out. For me, cutting those flyaways helps to maintain the hair a little bit longer as well. So here I am. Yeah, see, it's not dry. And you want to keep your braid in for longer than like 2 hours, because that's what I did. It didn't work for me. And the products I used were not the best products. I don't know. I layered wrong and it just came out sticky and a mess and whatever. So yeah, so this is just the final result of it, just wearing it down or having the option to pull it up. A lot of you guys asked how I pulled my hair up, and I just pull it up and bobby pin it. There was nothing special to what I did. You can choose to leave a little bit hair out. You can bring some hair to the front like I did to cover the knots that you see on the side, which is very easy. Just take some bobby pins and go for it, girl. So yeah, so I hope you guys really like this video. If you have any questions or comments or anything I can answer, please don't hesitate to leave them down below. And also let me know what you guys would like to see next. If there's any certain styles or whatever you want to see, please let me know. And thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.